Hi students, today we are going to discuss a beautiful concept, that is basic character of amines. So and let us compare the basic strength of various amines. So here generally base means any substance which donate lone pair of electrons to other species. So base means any substance which donates lone pair of electrons to other species. So here we are considering amines. So the general formula of amines is RNH2. So if you consider NH3 ammonia, so this consists of one lone pair of electron. So here nitrogen also consists of one lone pair of electron. So this ammonia is also considered to be base because it has a tendency of donating this lone pair of electron. So this is ammonia. So the alkyl substituted compounds, that is alkyl substitution of this ammonia will produces different amines. So that is, if it is one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, then we get RNH2. So this is primary amine. If two alkyl groups are two hydrogens are replaced by two alkyl groups, then we get R2NH. This is primary amine and this is secondary amine, and R3N, this is tertiary amine. So now let us check the basic strength of these four. Okay. So first of all, base means any substance which can have a tendency of donating lone pair of electrons. Suppose if you take ammonia, this ammonia has a tendency of donating lone pair of electrons. Suppose if there is any H plus, so it donate lone pair of electrons to the H plus. This consists of empty orbital. So that's why this lone pair can be donated to H plus to form NH4 plus ion. This is called ammonium cation. This is called ammonium cation. So if the cation formed in this process is more stabilized, then this will be more basic, isn't it? So the basicity of amines depends upon the ease of donation of lone pair of electrons to the other species. In other words, so if the cation formed by accepting this lone pair of electrons or donating this lone pair of electrons to other species is more stable, then this will be more basic. So the basicity of these amines and ammonia depends upon the stability of this cation. Okay. Suppose if you take any alkyl substituted compound, suppose that is RNH2, this is primary amine. So here it donate lone pair of electrons to H plus and get this is alkyl substituted ammonium ion. This is NH3 plus. So this is alkyl substituted ammonium ion, ammonium cation. Okay. So here if the stability of this ammonium ion is more, then the basicity of the compound will be more. So let us check the stability of these alkyl substituted ammonium ions. So here if one alkyl group is there in primary amines and two alkyl groups are there in secondary amines, and tertiary amine consists of three alkyl groups. So here the ammonium ion, the alkyl substituted ammonium ion stability will be increased by increasing number of alkyl groups. Okay, clear? So by increasing number of alkyl groups, here the plus effect increases. So if there is any alkyl group, it behaves as plus affecting group. So that's why if number of alkyl groups increases, so listen carefully, if number of alkyl groups increases, then the stabilization of ammonium ion, increases, and hence the basic character will be increased. The basic character increases. Okay, clear? So if the number of alkyl groups increases, the stabilization of ammonium ion increases. This one. So if the stabilization of ammonium ion increases, then the basic character of amine will be more. Okay. So in case of tertiary amines, there is three plus affecting groups are there. So that's why it forms a stable ammonium ion. So that's why it is more basic. So therefore the basic character order should be like this: tertiary greater than, secondary greater than primary, and it should be greater than ammonia. Okay. So this is valid only in case of vapor phase. This is valid in case of vapor phase. Why? So because in case of aqueous solutions, there are so many factors like steric hindrance and solvent effect like that. So let us consider in case of aqueous solutions. So if you take in case of aqueous solutions, what are the factors affecting this basic strength? Okay, clear? So if the number of alkyl groups increases, the stabilization of ammonium ion increases due to plus affecting group. Plus affecting group means electron releasing effect. So if the electron releasing effect increases, then the stabilization of ammonium ion increases. So that's why the basic character will be more here. Okay. So the basic character will be more. So that's why the order should be like this: tertiary greater than, secondary greater than primary, and it is greater than ammonia. So this hold good only in case of vapor phase only. So but in case of aqueous solutions, so there are so many factors. Let us discuss those factors. So suppose if the amines are taken in aqueous solution, so in those aqueous solutions, so the ammonium ion will get solvated. Okay. So if you consider the primary amine, so the primary amine means RNH2. The primary amine means RNH2. So this reacts with H plus ion to produce RNH3 plus, this one RNH3 plus. So if you take this one RNH3 plus, so this is the cation obtained from primary amine. So suppose if you take this one in aqueous solution, so this will be hydrated, that means solvated. This will be solvated by using water molecules like this. So these hydrogens will form bonds with water molecules. Okay, these hydrogens will form bonds with water molecules. So that's why here 3 hydrogens are solvated. And next, in case of secondary amines, there exist only 2 hydrogens. So these 2 hydrogens are get solvated like this. Similarly, if you take tertiary amine, only 1 hydrogen will be there, so it will be get solvated. So here the solvation is more in this situation. So greater the solvation, here greater the solvation, greater will be the stabilization of ammonium ion. Okay, greater the solvation, greater will be the stabilization of ammonium ion. So here greater the solvation, so that's why here it will be the more stable. So that's why it should be more basic. Okay, so that means here it is from primary amine, so that's why it should be more basic, and its secondary amine should be more basic. Okay, secondary ammonium ion and tertiary ammonium ion should be more stabilized by solvation. So that's why it should be more basic, it should be less basic. So the order should be like this. So here it is from primary amine, so that's why the primary should be greater than, secondary should be greater than tertiary, and primary ammonia is also more basic than primary, because here it NH4 plus ion will be there. NH4 plus ion will be get solvated by using 4 water molecules, so it will be stabilized more. So that's why ammonia should be more basic than primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, so but this will not true in all situations, because it depends upon the nature of these alkyl groups. So if the greater the size of alkyl group or greater the number of alkyl groups, lesser will be the stabilization. Here greater the number of alkyl groups, lesser will be the stabilization. 3 alkyl groups are there, so that's why greater the number of alkyl groups, lesser will be the stabilization, solvation, lesser will be the solvation, and also order of stabilization of ammonium ion also. Okay, so that's why it should be in this order, but it also depends upon the size of the alkyl groups. Greater the size of alkyl groups, then also lesser will be the solvation. So due to some steric factors, lesser will be the solvation. Suppose if this alkyl group is large, then the solvation may be less due to steric hindrance. So that's why by solvent effect and steric factors, there is some changes in basic character order. So suppose if you take here methyl group or ethyl group, so by considering the pKa values, pKb values, the order of basic character should be like this. So suppose if it is methyl amines, the order of basic character is in the order of, generally it should be in the order of primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary, but it should be in, it is in the order of secondary greater than, primary greater than, tertiary, and it is greater than NH3. So that means secondary means CH3 twice NH and it is greater than CH3 NH2 and it is greater than CH3 thrice NH greater than NH3. So in case of alkyl group is methyl group, so the order of basic character should be like this. So this is due to solvent effects and some steric factors. So here this is tertiary amine. So this tertiary amine consists of 3 alkyl groups. So that's why more steric hindrance will be there, more steric crowdings will be there. So even though there exist 3 alkyl groups, so the presence of alkyl groups is nothing but plus effect. So due to presence of plus effect, the lone pair of electrons present on this nitrogen can be donated more readily to other species. Okay. So in case of tertiary amines, this is like this. In case of tertiary amines, here it consists of lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons can be donated to other species readily due to 3 plus affecting groups. So but it is not true, because so in this situation there arises some steric hindrance due to presence of 3 alkyl groups. So due to steric hindrance, it will be less basic than primary and secondary. Okay, clear? Due to presence of 3 bulky groups, due to steric hindrance, the lone pair of electrons cannot be donated to other species. Okay, and next one. So if it is ethyl group C2H5, if it is ethyl group, the order of basic character is like this: secondary greater than, tertiary greater than primary, and it is greater than NH3. So that means CH3 twice NH greater than CH3 thrice N greater than CH3 NH2 greater than NH3. Okay. So this is the order of basic character in case of ethyl amines. So this is purely based upon pKb values. So by considering the pKb values, the order of basic character is like this. Okay. So by solvent effects and also due to some steric factors, the basic character will be like this. So okay, I hope this video will be utilized for you. Thank you. Like the session, share the session and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And here you have to remember these. Thank you. And this also. Okay, thank you.